Shut up and sit down.
Hello, world.
Welcome to our channel, where we take a closer look to anything and everything.
Nothing is off limits.
This is Everything Electrified with Hiba and Jane.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got an alert. I just got an alert that something got delivered to the house, and I didn't order anything. So I think I have a good understanding that maybe somebody sent us something for this channel. You know, so we're just gonna pull up to the house and try to see what do we see here. What are we looking at here? It looks like, oh my God, there is a box. There is a box. Let's go ahead and open it. All right, guys, I got the box upstairs. I took a look. It's from our friends at Tesstudio. Remember, you can use the discount code anytime at Tesstudios. The discount code is EETesla. You get about 20% off on your items, anything in the store. If you want this particular item, you can get that. I'll link it down below, okay? And let's go ahead and unbox this now. All right, let's take a look on what they sent us. I have no idea what's actually in this box. So this is oh, they look like hubcaps for the Model Y. All right, you know I don't like to look like all the other Model Ys on the road. I like to be my own Model Y. So I'm so glad they sent me something to make my car look different than everybody else's, right? Whoa, let me take out one, because they're all the same. So let me just take out one. Wow, this is some really nice quality. Look at that. Oh, ew, there it is. Some really, really nice, good quality hubcap for the Model Y. And it protects the original hubcaps because you don't have to use them, right? You can switch between them. I like this. I like this design. This is really, really nice and clean. Good material too. It looks like it's gonna be easy to clean. It doesn't leave fingerprints on it either. So this is really nice. Let me take out all of them so we can see them all together. Look at this one. They're all the same, but they look cool. They look cool. Aha, number 4. Actually, good thing we opened this up because there's some stuff in here. There's some stuff in here. Oh, they actually gave you little caps for the front, like right here, the center part. So for the center part, right here, they gave some caps. So you can put that, you can actually sticky it on there. There are some Tesla stickers I know on Amazon that you can buy, like the logo, and you can put them on like these caps here. So you can make it look even more authentic. Maybe we'll do that in the future. Oh, actually, never mind. They gave these. They do have the Tesla logo, and it's in stealth mode. That's way cooler. It's way cooler. Okay, so you have a choice between, you want like plain ones if you don't want any branding, or if you want the Tesla branding. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna go with the Tesla branding. I'm gonna do that. I am gonna go with the Tesla branding. That's what I like. Glad that I opened this up. I'm gonna put it all in one box. And let's see the instructions. So the first step is all accessories, got it. Center caps, got it. Peel it off and do that first, okay. Then take out the sponge tape, paste the sponge strip along the edge of the wheel cover, paste a full circle along the edge, and then done. So let me take a look on the back. So I guess they're talking about this spot here, right? Yeah, it looks like they're talking about this spot here along the edge of the wheel cover. Actually, let's just do this here while we have it on the table. So we'll do one at a time. Put this in here. We'll start with the first one. So what they want us to do, let's prepare all of this before we go outside actually. So take my little knife right here. All right, so this is a little sponge tape. It is spongy. It is spongy. So I guess like there's this edge that's available and they just want you to just keep putting this down on the edge like that, right? And it says, let me just read it. Take out the sponge and paste the sponge strip along the edge of the wheel cover. Paste a full circle along the edge and then done. Okay, okay, okay. I trust you, Tesstudios. I trust you. Okay, so let me start there. Alright guys, we were able to cover all 4 hubcaps with this spongy tape. This is my 4th one, so this spongy tape looks a lot better than my first one. Let me know in the comments below if you were able to do a better job than me, or if you can do a better job than me. Let me know. I felt like it was good, but they give you plenty of tape. You could go back and redo it, so that's not a problem. So now let's go ahead and go to the car and install these hubcaps and see how they look. Alright, so we're gonna try to remove this first. Is there a particular, no, you just kind of like pull them out like that, and that's the actual rim for the Model Y. I've never seen people with the Model Y just leave the rim on like this. I seen them with the Model 3 but not the Model Y, but this is what the original one looks like, the OEM. Now let's go ahead and install the new one. You can see the difference in design, right? That's the difference. This one doesn't look like it has a foam thing, so we now do have a foam thing. This is kind of dirty. All right, so let's try to pop it in here. Where's the... Hold on, I think there's a specific way it wants, maybe like this. Okay, I've installed it. So you have to just make sure in the bigger angle is where you're sticking out the valve for the tire pressure. So you just want to make sure you do that, and then you can just pop it in there, and now it's in. Look, it's already looking, it makes the wheel look bigger because this looks smaller, right? I guess it's the same size. I don't know. This is making the wheel look way bigger. Remember, there's tons of different patterns and designs that you can choose from. I just happen to like this one, but you can choose other ones if you want. Let's actually install this. Remember, you have a choice between this, the Tesla one, or the plain one. You can see the Tesla one usually has a Tesla one, but you can, if you didn't want to brand it, you can make a plain one. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Tesla one. That's just my preference. You can do whatever one you like. Let's do this. Oh, I should have brought my blade. Okay. So let's pop it in like that. Direction does not matter because wheels turn. So just remember that. Direction does not matter. Wheels be spinning. So it's all gonna be spinning. Okay. And that's one wheel down, 3 more to go. All right, so now we're gonna look for this. So this is where we wanna have this sticking out like that. All right, they're just clips, so it just clips in. Oh my God, I think the wheels look amazing. Let me get the Tesla one. Awesome. So the next one. All right. Let's see, where's the valve? Okay, this one. Let me just make sure. I don't think it's right. Like that. Okay. All right, it's on. It just clips in. There's clips that squeeze in between the spokes and open up. So when you pull out, you're just pulling the clips out. Let me see. Where's the Tesla one? And voila. All right, last one, guys. So when you pull like that, so it's just clips. All right, which one is it? Right here. So it's basically like that, you see? Okay, all the clips are in. Now I put the Tesla logo. This is definitely a really cool upgrade. It gives your car a whole new feel. It saves your actual rims and your actual hubcaps too. So if you're gonna sell it or anything like that or trade it in, they can't mark you off for having damaged hubcaps and rims and stuff like that. Definitely worth the upgrade, guys. Highly recommend picking this up. Go ahead and check out the link below to Tesstudio that I've left. Discount code is EETesla. You get 20% off. And the good part is, even if you don't have a Model Y, you have a Model 3, you can get these type of rims on them. So go ahead and check that out, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one.